Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bosnia and Herzegovina, a country in South and Southeast Europe located within the Balkans, is primarily driven by agriculture, such as gardening production, crop farming, processing, bakeries and milk industries, as well as services, foreign investment and tourism, which has become a top performer in the more recent years with regards to its development and contribution to the country's economy. Forex trading around the world has become increasingly popular over the course of the last few years, and as newer traders continue to enter the markets, beginners should consider finding themselves a globally regulated, safe, and reputable broker to trade with. As such, finding a list of some of the best Forex brokers in Bosnia and Herzegovina, as well as worldwide, can be a difficult process, especially when searching for a trustworthy broker who accept and offer their services to local investors from this country. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application. eToro's trading platform is a user-friendly custom trading platform, which is available as a browser-based web application. Their mobile application is supported on Android and iOS operating systems. Featured accounts are available on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. At number 4 on our list is Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized, fully regulated Forex and CFD broker that operates across 6 of the most credible authorities in Australia, the US, Europe, Japan, Singapore, and Canada. Oanda specializes in trading through Forex, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms for accounts are available on the MetaTrader 4 platform, which is supported on Oanda's WebTrader, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard and premium accounts, with up to 70 tradable Forex currency pairs, access to their web, desktop, and mobile platforms, 24-hour 5 days a week customer support, and more. Oanda also provides their very own educational resources and learning center, which delves into beginner introductions to trading, understanding various analytics and tools, a guide to capital management, guides in platform functionality, as well as a variety of live webinars that you can take part in if you are looking to expand your education with Oanda. Coming in at number 3 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, as well as IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint and family accounts, to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses, a Traders Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with Interactive Brokers. At number 2 on our list, we have BlackBull Markets. BlackBull Markets is a Forex and CFD broker regulated by New Zealand's Financial Service Providers Register. Founded in 2014 with the goal of becoming the leading online financial technology and foreign exchange broker. BlackBull Markets is a true ECN no-dealing desk brokerage, specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, precious metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the BlackBull Markets Web Trader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are featured on Demo, Standard, Prime, Institutional, Islamic, and Active Trader accounts, with low minimum deposits, 1 to 500 leverage, access to all tradable market instruments, virtual private server trading, and more. BlackBull Markets also provides their very own educational center, which provides an easy-to-understand overview of Forex trading, a collection of educational trading videos, trading guides, an economic calendar, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading education with BlackBull Markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bosnia and Herzegovina, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker, which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK's Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, CFDs, commodities, futures, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are available as a web-based browser application and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24-hour 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers in Bosnia and Herzegovina on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.